Welcome to Kids True Crime. Pulling up, hit and go. It's showtime. Hey, hey. Chat squad rolling in line. Best crew on the screen, that's the headline. We pull up to the scene, Mr. calling out each detail. Real clean, Patty said, judge in the feed. Running double up and theories at top speed. Caroline Cooper in caps lock. Rachel from Mars with the straight talk. Angel in the back with the side eye. We ride or die in the live, let the time fly. Welcome to Kids True Crime. True Crime. We got push people talking in real time. Real time. We got trolls in the corner, we don't mind. Hit them with a one-liner, fill up all behind. Best community on this whole site. We laugh, we roast, but we hold tight. Get a little copy, that's what we're here for. Bad ass fight, yeah. Up, push and score. Bad ass fight, yeah. 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 Life, live, fight, yeah. Melissa in the bushes on patrol, putting out the fires when the rumors roll. Flames toddler in the back, all jokes. Inside last of the day, once folks. Feel the chatter climbing up the chat wall. Names flying fast, can't catch them all. From the first bell ring to the last word said. We beans, tea, spaces till it's time for bed. Welcome to Kids True Crime. True Crime. We got bush people talking in real time. Real time. We got trolls in the corner, we don't mind. Hit them with a one-line, fall from behind. Best community on this whole site. We laugh, we roast, but we hold tight. Get a little pocket, that's what we're here for. Back as life, yeah. I'm a blast with boy. Back as life, yeah. 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 Back as life, yeah. Drop a heart in the chat for the day ones. Drop a flame for the late night reruns. If you know, then you know that's the code word. Kit says what she thinks, every quote heard. We stay loud, stay proud when the stream's on. Same fan, same clan when the cam's gone. One click, one link, and we're back at the door to the badass softcore lore. Welcome to Kids True Crime. True Crime. We got bush people talking in real time. Real time. We got trolls in the corner, we don't mind. Hit them with a one-line, fall but behind. Best community on this whole side. We laugh, we roast, but we hold tight. Get a little cookie, that's what we're here for. Bad as bud, yeah. Slow floor. Bad as bud, yeah. 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 Bad as bud, yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah. Thank you for being here. I got to handle a situation here that's on the screen.
Yeah.
Hey, rapper, why don't you come up here and tell me about yourself? There's a StreamYard link. What's your problem? What is your problem? Your channel is garbage. Bye. Well, come and tell me. What the fuck's the problem? I see you around on YouTube. You go to my people's channels too. Okay? You're not going to be starting no bullshit. Okay? So make sure others know about who you really are. Can you believe that shit? Hold on a minute. I got to take care of something. Misty.
Yeah, that kind of pissed me off.
Fucking right. People are stupid, aren't they? Your channel's garbage. I want to be sure to keep that up there too. Your channel's garbage. Bye. Bye. Hold on. I gotta go to StreamYard. Hold on. Talk to the people. I'll be there in a minute, people. I love you all. Misty, talk to the people.
Okay, I'm trying to get my thingy up. Hi, people. I can't see nothing.
You can't?
I can't see no
Oh, shit.
comments.
I'm trying to take care of something in my thing here real quick.
You're fine. I'm going to get my tablet up.
Shut Where is that? Why can't I fucking find it? Oh my god. Come on panel. Come on the panel. You got a problem? Come on the panel. Hold on. What the fuck? All right. Hi, everybody.
I mean, I just
cannot-
don't understand.
Yeah, talk to whoever, because I'm trying to figure out something, and it's nothing's helping me. Channel. All right.
There
Sorry,
we
guys.
go.
I'm looking for something. I mean, there's something I've got to take care of. I can't find it. Come on, I ain't that dumb.
Well, no. Shit.
Where is it? There we go. Ah. All right.
Now, why ain't nothing working for me?
Okay, I'm coming now. I'm trying to save my channel. Hopefully I did. Okay, I'm coming into StreamYard to say hello to the people. Hey, rapper. Why don't you come on panel? Come tell me about yourself. Come on. What the hell's your problem? You're rude. That is so rude. So we got Misty here. My sister's on the panel. Melissa from the bushes. Yes, let's put some flames or fire in the chat. Excuse me. Roast smells so good. Oh, that's right. You're going to be eating. Yeah. Bye. Bye.
I'm Melissa.
Ah, look at there's Barn Dog. How
Well,
you
why
doing?
can't I bring up?
I know, right? I don't know what the fuck is going on, but apparently my channel is trash. Apparently. Hi, Patty. Patty Sturgis.
Hi, Patty. Hi, Barn Dog.
All these notifications at once.
Patty, do you want to play a game? I want to play a game. Ha 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 ha.
That's right. That just
Patty,
happened.
you need to play a game with him.
Hello, Amber. Anybody can come on panel. Right now, I'm just a little heated.
Come on up, Amber.
That people get all stupid. They come to somebody's channel, okay? They were a wrench, and they tell you your channel's trash, garbage. But they don't have the balls to come onto the panel and explain themselves. Because that's what these type of people do. There's that, huh? And some of these people don't realize, that you're gonna have a behavior like that. I see you on my other. I've seen this. I've seen rapper on other channels of my friends, creators. Okay, and I'm gonna let them know, okay, about this type of person. That's what I'm gonna do. Yes, fire in the chat. Fire in the chat. Yeah, that I'm gonna keep this up here. I'm gonna keep this.
Well, I'll be damn.
There. My channel is garbage. That's what rapper says, everybody. Okay? I don't know how you feel about it. Let me know. Let me know what's on your mind. Yes, we won't forget about Ellen. I'm about to pressure wash. We'll be listening. I got to do before it gets too hot here. Oh God, I wish it was hot here. Fire in the chat. Fire in the chat. But thank you everybody for being here. Hold on, let me get her up there. You know what? She wants to say my channel is garbage when I don't even know the fuck I did. I haven't even been around, actually. I haven't been here. Oh, God. Unbelievable, people. Misty, is this
Yeah.
channel garbage? Is it garbage?
No.
Okay. Okay. What the fuck is going on around here? I did a poll because I wanted to know what the people's wanted. Because I was really, I've been really depressed, you guys. You know this, right? And I'm like, oh. So I did that poll and I couldn't decide. So we're going to do a little bit of everything. We're going to watch a body cam. I'm going to read you one of JLR's lawsuits. Freaking hilarious. I got like 10. And you got to be careful because you're like, okay, it's only 10 cents a page, right? And then you start paying. Then it all adds up. I'm like, holy shit. Holy shit.
Especially with all his lawsuits.
Right?
Oh my God.
Right, Barn Dog. Thank you. Thank you very much, Barn Dog. Yes. Thank you. That's right. That just happened right there, too. That's I like Barn Dog. All right. People. Misty, hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good. Home alone.
Are you? I'm glad you're on panel. Anybody can come up here, but who I really want up here, though, is Rapper. I want you up here. That's what I want. That's who I want up here right now. Dun, dun, dun. That's what I want, guys. Anybody going to talk? Anybody? Misty. Sis,
There.
what are you doing?
Yeah.
You over there playing with snakes?
Oh, my student nervous.
I had a dream about your cat.
You had what?
I had a dream about your cat, and I don't want to talk about it, though.
Especially if it's not a good dream.
No, it wasn't good.
Oh. Yeah, that's my baby.
I know. It's like, why the fuck am I dreaming about her cat?
He is an asshole, though.
How is everybody? Let me know.
I'm good.
I want to know why my channel's garbage. Misty's my channel garbage.
I want to know, too.
Am I garbage? Am I?
Or I wouldn't be here.
Am I garbage? Am I garbage? So this is what we're doing today. Rapper, I'll be seeing you around, believe me. Yes! Are you hungover? Stop it. Get some liquid IV and you're good to go, girl. Girl.
Yeah.
All right. So I decided, hey, let's do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I fed me and my dad. And I thought, okay, all right, let's see what the people want. We did the poll. Okay. Let me show you this right here real quick. This is what we're going to do right here. I want to have some laughter. Crazy people in this fucking world, I tell you. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of, where did Misty go? Where did Misty go already? Okay, we are going to do a JLR lawsuit. Mind you, I got probably, let's see, easy 10 right now. Sweet tea helps? Ooh, yummy. And then Brittney J. People are going after this girl. So we're just going to go over and see who she is. As of right now, the little tiny bit that I looked at, I don't know why people are coming after this girl. I'm just saying. It's like, let me tell you, she's got a lot of people that are loyal and that watch her, but It would put me to sleep, okay? Because I'm just too, like, hyper, okay? But then you got the ex-judge Tracie Hunter. Boy, she's something. She should have never been a judge. They put her up. She should have never, ever been a judge. A juvenile judge at that, dealing with children. It's amazing. That's in Ohio, by the way. Patty. Hamilton County, Ohio. I know. You know what? Get yourself some Starlink, okay? So yeah, this is what I want to do. How do you guys feel about it? How do you guys feel about it? What's going on out there, girl? I'm telling you. Watch out for this lady. She's kind of psycho. Look at her eyes. That tells you right there. Something's off. Look at that. Sorry, not sorry. So what we will do, yes, Tracie, not with a Y. It's Tracie. IE. IE. Brilliant. Yes, girl. You need Starlink. I need to link you up, girl. If you want to come back up, come back up. Hey, come back up. If you want to come back up. Anybody can come up here. I really don't give a shit. I don't care. So yeah, this ain't gonna be a serious live, by the way. I don't want it to be serious, right? And Rapper thought, they were gonna hurt my feelings. I just want an understanding of what the fuck happened. Because I haven't been around, people. But of course, you get people that act like that, and a lot of all, right? People show who they really are, but to come to somebody's channel and say that, I don't care, because you know what? Here, let me take this down. Just so people know, here we go. I'm gonna go to her channel. There you go. Nothing going on here. There's nothing going on here. Okay. Just thought I'd put that out there. What would you guys like to do first? Yes, my friend. Yes, my friend. Yes. Yes. We need to laugh. I know. That's what I'm all about here. That's right, girl. Giddy up. Let me take a drink. What would you guys like to do first? Would you like to, should we go, okay, should we start with JLR and a lawsuit? Should we do that? Let's do that. Kick Rapper's ass first. I'm waiting. Do you think this person would come on panel? I trusted this person. Damn it. Hey, something happened. Well, whatever. Yes, we're doing JLR. Okay, people, let's do it. Here we go. Now, let me pick one. I got folders. Oh my God, I got folders or shit. It's just like, oh my God. Okay, let's do it. Hold on. JLR right there. All right, okay. This segment, we are going to read a lawsuit. Is this it? Right here. Fire in the chat, bitches. That's right. It's one of those days. Fire in the chat. All right, here we go. We go to the document. All right. This is October 19th, 2007. Jonathan Lee Riches versus Dan Rather. CBS former evening news anchor. CBS Broadcasting, Inc. Okay. All right. Let's do this. Complaint. Illegally broadcasting my life. Temporary restraining order. Comes now the plaintiff. Jonathan Lee Richards, in pro se, moves his honorable court to issue an order for the defendant's name in the suit. To respond to this suit is defamation, trespass, fraud, and violations of Privacy Act. Plaintiff also moves the honorable court to issue a temporary restraining order against the defendant, forbidding them from broadcasting any copyrighted material related to Jonathan Lee Richards. I'm sorry. Hold on, where am I? Plaintiff moves under, I think that's under, and Rule 64, the return of personal property that belongs to the plaintiff. And he is seeking $75 million from defendant and CBS stock options. I'm sorry, guys. Hey, Rhonda's here. Hey, Rhonda, we got a Rhodes or whatever mod. She's gone. All right, number 1. Dan Rather is harassing my life continuously since February 25th, 2003, broadcasting my copyrighted material on CBS, along with Dan Rather creating MySpace.com webpage with any copyrighted material. Dan Rather also makes guest appearances on Rush Limbaugh's show and uses slander and bias against my character. I never gave Dan Rather permission to talk about my identity. I'll get through it. Anybody can come up here. I don't care. I never gave Dan Rather permission to talk about my identity theft crimes. 2. On October 10th, 2006, Dan Rather contacted me on phone at the Williamsburg, the prison, telling me he's going to feature a show about identity theft and computer hacking and wants to include my case. In Houston, I told Rather, no, my cybercrime is my business and not the world to know. Oh my God. Dan Rather began to threaten me. Rather told me that if I didn't agree to having my story on a show, he's going to send the British Dr. Harold Shipman to Williamsburg and inject my brain with antifreeze and brake fluid to make. Oh my God, I just can't. Submissive to Jewish broadcasting. Dan Rather told me on 8/10/05 that he was going to get the 1985 New York City subway Vigilant Bernard Getzo to clean corruption out of my mind unless I sign a broadcasting contract in crayon, red crayon. Okay, hold on. I can't read his writing there. Okay, it says something dynasty after me, Dan Rather orders. May 10th, 2006, Dan Rather violated my privacy. He got New England head coach Bill something for illegally wiretapping my prison cell and then showed America on the CBS Evening News me sleeping with visas. With visas and MasterCards. 4. May 20th, 2006, Dan Rather sold my copyrighted material to CNN producers. Andy Skill. I was featured on CNN Presents How to Rob a Bank on May 20th, 2006 with illegal bank surveillance. If you look carefully on the footage, you will see Brittney Spears putting a pew-pew in my back, forcing me to rob banks during her something, I can't say it, powder days. Let's see. What's this? 19-something. Free radical movement with Mario Severio and San Jose Sharks. My life is in danger from Dan Rathers. All his suits and ties on the evening news belong to me under rules. Sorry. I know, God, this is so bad. The suits and ties on the evening show belong to him. Under Rule 64, I want my clothes boxed, shipped, and delivered to FCI Williamsburg during Guinness's hours between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. so I can examine just in case Dan, oh God, these stupid notifications. Oh my God, hold on, you guys. Just in case Dan Rather has a prison or a poison plot against me with the Pakistanians and the Colombians who I previous legal work for in 1996 and 1998 and 1997 I was in prison. Respectfully. How about that? Hey, Double D, how you doing? How you doing, Double D? Oh, look who's here. What's wrong? What did I do? Why is my channel garbage? What did I do to you? Come up here and tell me what I did. I don't understand. Rhonda, I really love that picture. I really do. That's very nice. Dan Rather. That's right. Danny boy. Why did you say my channel is garbage? I want to know why it's garbage. I want to know what I did. See? You said my channel is garbage. Well, I hope you feel better. Sorry to hear you're sick. Double D, double D, double D. Nice to see you, pretty lady. Okay, let's get into the judge. Let's get into Tracie. Tracie Hunter. And this is Ohio. This is Ohio. You're just mad? Okay, because I didn't do nothing. And it kind of bummed me out, okay? Because if it is trash, just let me know. Let me know what I did. That's all. If I did something. But I don't think I did because I don't think I did. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I know. Rapper's been around for a while, so I don't know. No, it's okay. I just want to know why my channel's garbage. Why you would say that. But let's get back to some laughs, okay? Okay. So we got a judge here, Hamilton County, Ohio. Now this happened when did she go to prison or jail? 2019. This lady is lucky. She was charged with 8 different felonies. She should have never been a judge. The only reason why she won to be a judge, okay, the juvenile judge, she had 71. Okay, I love all races. I want to put that out there. But this is what is used within this case, and it's so sad. And it worked. But she was the first African American judge in Hamilton County. Okay. But she should have never been a judge. She only won by 71 votes, but it was too much for her, and she was lying on cases and dates and shit. Oh, God, you won't believe the shit that went on with this lady. She would pass out during court. She had been taken out of her court room. Something just disappeared from the back. What the fuck is going on around here? Yes, all the suit and ties. Yes, we do. So let's get to it. We are going to look at Judge Tracie, and let me tell you, she's a scary individual. Let's see. We'll go to this here first. You won't believe what happens. I mean, these people. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's just watch this more.
Well, Clyde, an interim judge is going to be named to handle her caseload until these criminal charges are resolved. Supporters are going to gather here in Forest Park tomorrow to begin a legal defense fund, and already the political sniping has begun regarding this Democratic Party jurist. The criminal charges against Judge Hunter are felonies, tampering with evidence, forgery, having an unlawful interest in a public contract, and theft in office. Up until this point, everything she faced was a civil matter. Her election in 2010, claims of backdating documents to keep her docket current, and being found in contempt for denying WCPO and Inquirer reporters courtroom access. Judge Hunter is a Democrat, and party chairman Tim Burke told me he's stunned by the grand jury's findings.
The fact that a grand jury issues an indictment doesn't mean that the individual has committed a crime. I remain very hopeful that Judge Hunter will be found not guilty if these charges even get to trial.
Republican chair.
Oh, the weirdos out there, those weirdos. Well, anyways, I see some comments here. Let me see here. There's more to go, girl. I got like 10. Well, actually, I probably got 20, but you know, I'll just say 10. Yes, I appreciate that. All right, she shouldn't even been a judge.
Chairman Alex Triantafilo says the party doesn't take any pleasure in reading the indictments, but
then there's nothing political from our view about this, nothing Republican or Democrat about it. Just somebody who is inept at doing the job, who now faces serious criminal charges.
leaders of the Cincinnati chapter of the National Action Network plan a full court press to defend the judge. It starts with creating a legal defense fund.
I can tell you right now, we're going to fight this. This is ridiculous. It's an abuse of power that we've seen at its fullest, and I'm looking forward to the fight.
Now, the National Action Network Kings Sinks off here at the Word of Deliverance Church tomorrow at 11 o'clock to begin that legal defense fund. A couple of other notes here. Judge Hunter has been summoned to the Hamilton County Common Pleas Court next Friday for arraignment. And, well, final note, the special prosecutors in this case, Merlin Shiverdecker and Scott Croswell, issued a statement that said the investigation is ongoing and additional charges are still possible. Tom McKee, 9 on your side, live in Forest.
All right. So as we know that, hold on. Let's see. Okay. Hold on. Okay, this is when she gets sentenced. This is when she gets sentenced in the courtroom. However, let's look at this real quick. Thank you for being here. Please hit the like, dislike, whatever. All right, these are her charges. These are her things. She got misconduct. Let's see, what did she do? Misconduct, felony conviction, violation of code. What'd she do here? Tracie Hunter, Cincinnati, Ohio. Okay. She was admitted to practice law in 1993. She served as a judge at Hamilton County Court Common Pleas Juvenile Division, May 2012 until January 2014. She was indicted by the sorry, somebody walked by my window. Grand jury. The indictment was based on conduct that she allegedly undertook as a role as the juvenile court judge. Okay. October 14, 2014, a jury returned a guilty verdict on a single count of having an unlawful interest in a public contact in violation of fourth-degree felony. The court sentenced her to 6 months, followed by 1 year of non-reporting probation in order to appear or pay court fees. Her license was suspended. All right. Well, you know what? We're just going to get to the courtroom. Okay. Here's the findings. Oh my God, this is 24 pages. We ain't doing that, people. We're gonna watch what happens in the courtroom. That's what we're gonna do. Okay? Okay. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Here's a former judge, Tracie Hunter, and she's gonna get dragged out of court. Boy, there's lots of theatrical shit that happens. Here we go. Jesus, I can't believe this.
Good morning, everyone. Please be seated. Thank you all very much for your patience. Good morning to all of you. For the record, State of Ohio versus Tracie Hunter, case number B1400110. This matter is on the docket today solely for the execution of the sentence imposed by my predecessor, Judge Nadel, on December 5th, 2014, for a jury conviction against Ms. Hunter on count 6 of the indictment, having an unlawful interest in a public contract, a felony of the 4th degree. The judgment entry imposing that
What the fuck is going on
is
here?
signed by Judge Nadel and is part of the record.
What is going on? What's going on? What's going on? Wow. I know. I don't know what's going on with Rapper. Rapper must be having a hard time in life right now. I don't know. What the fuck is going on here? Sorry. Okay. Let's continue. This is Tracie Hunter, Judge Tracie Hunter. Okay, she's already been found guilty. Now she's going to get sentenced. Here we go.
Mr. Singleton, Ms. Branch, you represent Ms. Hunter, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. Good morning.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And Mr. Crosswell, you're here on behalf of the state, is that correct?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Thank you all for being here. I will point out, as most people here know, this is not a sentencing hearing. It is not a resentencing hearing. The sentence has already been imposed by Judge Nadel on December 5th, 2014. My job is solely to follow the law, abide by the rule of law, and execute the imposed sentence. But before we get to that, there are two things. First of all, I have in my hand a letter, which I've not shared with counsel because obviously everything needs to be on the record. It was hand-delivered to me moments ago from the Hamilton County Prosecutor, Joe Dieters. I will read it for the record. Dear Honorable Patrick Dinkelhofer, you and I have known each other professionally and personally for almost 40 years. Today you are going to impose the sentence Judge Norbert Nadel gave former Judge Tracie Hunter after she was indicted by a grand jury, convicted by a petit jury, and upheld by every court in Ohio. It was also reviewed by the Federal District Court and the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals and upheld. She has not once shown remorse. She has been incredibly disrespectful to you and to the justice system. She has in the face the fact that my office removed itself in any way from her prosecution, blamed us for her plight. That being said, I believe she has some type of mental condition that has created this scenario. Although we are not the prosecutors in this particular case, I ask as a friend of the court to consider an evaluation of her prior to imposing Judge Nadle's sentence. I have nothing but the greatest respect for you as a judge, and more importantly as a person. I know in my heart that you will do what you believe is just. I've known you too long to believe otherwise. But she has basically lost everything professionally. A review of her stability to serve jail time hurts no one and may in some way aid in your decision to impose the sentence signed by Joseph T. Dieters. Any comment on that, Mr. Croswell, first of all, sir?
Your Honor, I would endorse those comments.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Singleton?
Oh, yes, I want to be heard on this. Judge, I can't believe that Joe Dieters would ask for her to be evaluated. In the letter, there's reference to her not showing remorse. Here's why there's not remorse.
First of all, Mr. Singleton, with all due respect, you can, I'll certainly give you a chance to say anything you'd like. I'm just talking about whether or not you believe this is something appropriate for me to do.
No,
Okay.
absolutely not.
I appreciate that.
Absolutely not. And if I could just say more, I'd like to. The reason I say absolutely not is, first of all, both Jennifer Branch and I have worked very closely with Judge Hunter. There is no issue whatsoever, not in the slightest, about her not being competent or understanding what's going on.
Okay, I want to say
Absolutely
this. She had like 8 felonies, right? They only convicted her of 1, but each felony that she was facing was 12 years. Okay, she left a lot of kids in limbo. I don't know what she did, but it wasn't good, and she should never be a judge, especially handling families, children, right? But she got lucky. She got lucky.
She has been very helpful to us as we have litigated her case up to the Ohio Supreme Court and in federal habeas. So that's number one. Number two, with regard to the issue in Prosecutor Dieter's letter about remorse, the reason why there's not remorse is because she didn't violate this statute. I know that there's a conviction. I understand what the courts have said about it, but under the plain language of this statute, she is not guilty of securing the authorization of employment, period. And we plan to file a motion to dismiss. I would ask the court not to impose sentence today to give us a chance to do that. I would ask alternatively that the court not impose or execute the sentence today, because we are still on appeal of the habeas denial in federal court. And we would ask the court to stay execution of sentence until we finally resolve that issue. This case is, as you know, has been pending for quite some time, and Judge Hunter has been out the entire time that the appeals have run and the habeas has run. And let me just say a word about what she's gone through, because I think that gets lost sight of.
Oh, God.
Every day for the past 5 years almost, Judge Hunter has gotten up each morning not knowing whether that was going to be the day that she was going to have to go to jail.
Oh,
I know by talking with her, by observing her,
Woo-hoo!
the impact that that has had on her life.
Fire in the chat.
We believe it would be profoundly unjust and unfair and a waste of taxpayer dollars to incarcerate her for 1 minute in the jail. We believe it would be profoundly unfair and unjust and a waste of taxpayer resources to put her on probation. What we'd ask the court to do is just end this today. End this today. But not incarcerate her, particularly given that we're going to be filing this motion to dismiss. We'd ask the court for a continuance for us to be able to address that. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Your Honor, if I might. I'm sorry, Ms. Tracie. Ms. Brittney, do you want to say anything in regards to Mr. Dieter's letter?
Your Honor, everything that Mr. Singleton just said is true. Tracie Hunter does not have any mental condition, does not need an evaluation.
I appreciate that. Thank you. Mr. Crosswell?
Your Honor, if I might, simply in response to the letter, Mr. Singleton indicated that he did not believe, or that he did believe that Ms. Hunter was competent to stand trial. I would agree with that. I don't believe that Mr. Dieter's letter is speaking to the issue of whether she was competent to stand trial or whether she was legally insane for purpose of the trial. No one has raised that issue, and it's not even been considered. I believe that the letter that Mr. Dieters has written and that I, when you asked, endorsed, was a letter which asked to have an evaluation for the purpose of sentencing. And I would say that that has nothing to do with the competency issue, and it is rather, it is not uncommon for the courts in trying to determine an appropriate judgment to order a pre-sentence investigation and to order, in addition to that, a clinic evaluation to determine if there are any services that are needed or if there are any issues that present themselves. So that, it's up to the court, but that part of the letter that Mr. Dieters wrote is the part that I endorse, and I think it was solely for the purpose of sentencing, not to question competency in this case.
I appreciate that. And since the defense counsel has indicated that they do not wish.
Okay, guys, see this judge here? This judge here, those people that are in the gallery there that are for the judge, or Tracie Hunter, they were mailing stuff to his house. The judge. They were trying to intimidate the judge, you guys. Watch this shit. This is unbelievable. Listen to what this judge says.
For me to proceed in that manner, I will certainly not do that. I do appreciate the concerns Mr. Dieter has extended, but that is something that we're not going to proceed with. The other thing I do need to do before we get to the other aspect of this case is, I thought about this for a long time. And on behalf of the justice system, preservation of the independence of the judiciary in the spirit of transparency and to comply with the dictates of Ohio Code of Judicial Conduct, I'm going to state the following. In no way, shape, or form is this to be held in any way against Ms. Hunter, but I want to point out for the last several weeks, I have received at my home, not here in the courthouse, at my home, 45 postcards from people, some of them signed, a few, some of them with return addresses, a few, but most of them anonymous. So when my wife got the mail, She looks at them, of course, she becomes concerned. I'm not going to read them all, obviously, but again, in complying with what I think is law, so no other judge should go through what I've gone through with these Facebook postings by certain people and whatever, okay? I'm just going to put a couple of these on the record. 7 of them start off with, I am a registered voter, okay? What is that supposed to mean? Well, whatever. I'm a registered voter, and I believe all charges should be dropped against Judge Tracie Hunter. I'm a registered voter who stands and support Judge Tracie Hunter. Drop all charges against Ms. Hunter and exonerate her now. Dear Judge Dinklager, please exonerate Judge Hunter of the charge she was falsely accused of. I'm a registered voter in Hamilton County. Judge Dinklager, exonerate Judge Hunter now. Drop all charges, restore her good name. I am a taxpayer and a registered voter. I'm a registered voter.
Oh my God.
Please let Tracie Hunter. She is innocent of all charges. As a concerned citizen and a registered voter, I urge you to exonerate Judge Tracie Hunter now. I'm a registered voter in Ohio. I'm asking that you release Tracie Hunter of all charges. Exonerate Judge Tracie Hunter now. Judge Dinklager, Judge Tracie Hunter needs to be exonerated now. Do not delay. Cincinnati needs her to be restored right away. Hello, Judge Dinklager. I'm asking you to exonerate the Honorable Tracie Hunter from all charges at this time. If you're not able to see that she has suffered enough, I don't understand the reasoning for the time that this issue has taken. You are crucify her for making laws fair for all. Exonerate Honorable Judge Tracie Hunter. Free Judge Tracie Hunter. Would you like to be the judge that goes down in history trying to destroy someone who is doing the right thing, who is elected to serve public, especially juvenile court? Exonerate now.
Oh my God.
In the midst of this turmoil due to the injustice towards Judge Hunter, it is hoped that you who are so determined to jail her to exonerate this lady. The city is going to change according to the jail outcome. Dear sir, I do not know your religious preference, but just as the good Lord gave you a favor and spared your life, as well as keeping you from incarceration when you killed that African-American woman on Central Parkway. Thank you very much. Please do something with Judge Hunter. You are a fraud. Thank you for your time. Hamilton County taxpayer. Judge Dinklager, we demand you drop the charges of Judge Tracie Hunter. Do it now. Exonerate Judge Tracie Hunter now. Economic boycott of Cincinnati until Judge Hunter is exonerated now. Judge Dinklager, bring back justice for Judge Tracie Hunter. Black judges matter. She made us as important. She made an important difference for our children. Exonerate her now. Dear Honorable Dinklager, remember you killed someone and your privilege got you off. No, I do. Just came to my house, okay? See, well, you could make things right by taking your foot off the neck of former Judge Hunter, a holy woman. There are bogus claims, a bogus charge for which he's convicted. How is it you get 0 jail time, no consequence for killing someone, and Pastor Hunter loses her good name and does jail time? God bless America. Hamilton County taxpayer.
Okay, guys, I have to just stop here for a minute. Who does this sound like? Who do these people sound like to you? I am a taxpayer. I'm this, I'm that. They say they're what they're doing is so low IQ, people. You guys. It sounds like a bunch of YouTubers. They sound like YouTubers. The YouTubers that, you know, on here. Yes, get your shit together. Get your state together, girl. Get it together. This poor judge. Can you imagine?
And the last one I'll read. Honorable Judge Dinklager, boy, that is used. Perhaps perhaps do one good thing before you meet the maker in the sky. Since you are a killer, maybe doing something right for points will help your eternal judgment. Exonerate Pastor Hunter and former Judge Tracie Hunter. I know you will not, but you will not be able to tell your white Jesus that you were not asked. Sincerely, Cincinnati taxpayer.
Wow.
Your Honor, could I just be heard very, very briefly?
No.
On that?
Having said that, I now refer to Rule 2.4 of the Ohio Code of Judicial Conduct, external influences on judicial conduct. A judge shall not be swayed by public clamor or fear of criticism. B, a judge shall not permit family, social, political, financial, or other interests or relationships to influences the judge's conduct or judgment. And C, a judge shall not convey or permit others to convey the impression that any person or organization is in the position to influence the judge. Having said that, I say to the organizer that did that, and obviously it's organized because these will be made public record. Every one of them has a label addressed to Judge Dinkelhocker at my house. The stamps are all the same.
Oh
so somebody organized that for whatever reason. But I just hope no judge ever has to go through that, but be that as it may. We'll move on. I will point out that I will say to the organizer and some of the people that wrote those postcards, I don't think some of them were very Christian, but that's the way it goes. I will say to them, though, the attempt was to intimidate me in any way. That has flat out failed.
That's right.
I will never, ever, ever bow to that type of pressure, veiled threats, vicious comments, lies about me, or anything else. I've been a judge for 28 years. For the first time that I do something because somebody has threatened me or pressured me to do something, is the last time I do it, because I'll never be a judge. I don't want to be a judge anymore. I will not violate my oath. Having said that, I do need to point out that Pastor Peterson Mingo, Councilman Christopher Smitherman, the Black Lawyers Association, the Southern Christian Leadership Conference, is signed by Edith Thrower, who I know is a very good person, and Mayor Cranley, have all written what I believe are appropriate letters to me that I have read, and I will attach what significance I can, but I wanted to put on the record that they did it appropriately and did send me letters, which I have read. With that, then, we are now at the aspect of the execution of sentence. Again, they're not a hearing sentence, and I'm not even sure if it's necessary, but in the spirit of allowing everything to be done properly and making sure the due process of Ms. Hunter is taken care of, Ms. Branch or Mr. Singleton, did you want to say anything at this point?
I do, Your Honor, and this perhaps might not be necessary, but the reason I popped up to respond as I was listening to those postcards was that I'm sorry that you had that happen at your home.
All right, it's fine, it's fine.
Tracie Hunter did not send those postcards. And I think when you said the organizer of it, you probably made the point I was going to make, which is that this case has been followed. It's generated a lot of passion and interest in the community. And Judge Hunter can't control what other people do. And I just wanted to say that. And I'm really sorry about the impact that that's had on you. I don't want to repeat too much of what I said before, but let me say this on execution of sentence. We've asked for the time to file our motion to dismiss or to stay.
I don't see still there.
Which we would hope you would do. If you're not going to do that, then what we're asking you to do is not send her to jail and not put her on probation. Yes, this sentence was imposed by Judge Nadel, and you said earlier that your job today is to follow the law and execute the sentence. But that sentence is not just. Our belief, and we'll continue to litigate this, and I realize that you're not in a position to agree with us on any of this, is that the conviction is unjust. But 6 months in the jail for
oh my God,
a felon for someone who,
oh my God, guys, 6 months in jail. They're fighting over this. She could have gotten 10 or up to 12 years for each count. Okay? There was 8 counts, 8 charges, and she was found guilty of 1. And I do have a recording of one of the people that were on the jury. It was across the board. She was guilty, guilty, guilty. But they made it a race thing, sadly. And you'll see it. You'll hear it. You'll see it. It's just like, get it over with already. Go do your time. Shut your mouth, because all you did was cause more problems. She's still fighting this in the Ohio Supreme Court and shit. I got that downloaded too. She was in front of the Supreme Court, you guys. She's trying to get her license back. Okay? They're not letting her. She's not stopping. What is it, 2026?
Who has never been in trouble before, and someone who has been a positive and is still a positive impact, has a positive impact on our community. That's not just. And I would ask you, Judge Dinkelhocker, to rise above, and not to suggest that you're not rising above, but I know some folks have personally said things in those postcards that offended you. I would ask you to turn the other cheek on that, not tar Tracie Hunter with it, and also do what's just today. I don't think there are too many people who in this community, and including Joe Dieters. I mean, the letter was not saying send her to jail for 6 months. The letter was saying something else that we happen to disagree with. But I don't think there are too many people in this community on both sides of the aisle, in prosecutor offices, in defense lawyers' offices, people on the street who believe that this sentence is right, putting aside whether the conviction is right, which we contend it's not. So I would ask you on behalf of Tracie Hunter to end this today for her.
Yeah, end it.
She has had, as a result of this case, she's lost everything almost. There's something that's important that she has held on to.
Oh my God.
But she's lost a lot.
You guys,
She lost
they're
her
acting
job.
like, you know, like she murdered somebody. Okay? They're acting like, you know, she's being treated like she murdered somebody. I told you, all theatrics here. This is what we're getting. This is insane. Just shut up.
As a judge, her law license, her ability to earn an income.
Right?
She's lost peace of mind. As I said, not knowing when that day was going to come that she'd have to go to jail.
Oh my God.
That's a lot for one person to have on her shoulders. She's held on, though, to her character. And she has continued to serve the community through her pastoring, her church,
Oh God, bring in the shirt.
ministering to her flock. She has an elderly mother who needs her. I would ask you to take that into consideration
Guys,
as you think about
think about her elderly mother. The woman only got 6 months. Okay? Who are you? Who are you? Because that's just rude. Who are you? Hold on a minute. Hold up. Misty's beautiful. Stop it.
what is just here today. And so my request to you, Judge Dinkelhocker, is not to execute the sentence that was imposed. Give us time to file our motion to dismiss. But in any event, please don't add to Tracie Hunter's burden, the burden that she's carried for these past 5 years. Thank you for listening.
Very much, Mr. Singleton. Ms. Branch, did you want to say anything there?
Nothing additional, Judge.
Thank you very much. Mr. Crossbow, anything, sir?
Your Honor, I came here today with the intention of saying nothing. But frankly, based upon the arguments that have been made, I think I would be negligent in my duty and obligation to the state and frankly to the court to not make the point that there are certain things that, as you know, I've never prosecuted a case before. I have practiced criminal law for 45 years, and there's certain lessons I believe that I've learned in the practice of law. And one is that if you represent someone who is convicted, it is important that the person who's convicted show genuine remorse. And that's something that is traditionally taken into account by courts when they sentence. And frankly, Mr. Singleton is honest when he tells you that Tracie Hunter is unrepentant. She has no remorse for anything that has occurred here. And frankly, she continues to lash out. And I do find it somewhat ironic that it's said that Tracie Hunter knows nothing about the cards that were sent to you, yet she is the very person who made those allegations to you, to your face, in a court hearing some time ago. And I would say that very few things have ever affected me in court. And when she started on that rant, I cannot describe what I felt, not only about the inappropriateness of it, the brazen disregard for respect and authority, but the frankly, what I thought was malicious and vicious allegations to make against you or against any judge, and especially under the circumstances of the event that she wants to continue to rehash. Your Honor, it's ironic also that when Mr. Dieters wrote the letter asking you to at least order a mental health evaluation, and I endorsed it. I said, well, that's fine with me. It's somewhat ironic that the person who said that they did not want the mental health evaluation was Tracie Hunter herself. Now, anyone who has been in the system or around the system understands that when Mr. Dieters presumably is asking for a mental health evaluation, it arguably would be to see if there is some type of way for Tracie Hunter to avoid a jail sentence if there is a mental health issue. Yet she is the one who stands here before you today and says that she doesn't want that either. In other words, what she wants is to control the facts. What she wants to do is write the law. And what she wants to do is play by her own set of rules right up until today. I mean, right up until this very moment. And that's the very attitude and the very conduct that put her in the predicament that she's in, and frankly has caused all this pain to her and caused all this turmoil to the community.
Stop it. Stop it. You be nice. Who are you? Oh my God. Oh my God. Stop it. That ain't nice. Okay, let's carry on. Shit's gonna go down in this courtroom, okay?
Said, the case correctly, as has been said, has been tried. A jury has convicted her. It's been through the First District Court of Appeals. It's been through the Federal District Court, and the convictions have been affirmed at all times. She stands convicted. There is a sentence which was imposed by Judge Nadel, and I think it's time to impose a sentence.
Mr. Crossbow. Mr. Singleton, Ms. Branch, if Ms. Hunter would like to say something, obviously she's more than welcome to say something at this point. It's up to you all.
Just one moment.
Yes, sir.
Nothing further.
All right, thank you. I intend in performing my duties as a judge and to assure complete and full due process has been afforded to Ms. Hunter, as it is to every defendant in this courtroom. I have reviewed the entire file, including the federal aspect and the pertinent law. And just a real quick review, so there's a full understanding of where we are and how we got here. This obviously was an investigation of things that allegedly were done improperly by Ms. Hunter in juvenile court. Special prosecutor was appointed by the Common Pleas Court. They did an investigation. Matters were submitted to the grand jury. The grand jury returned a multi-count indictment. There was a jury trial conducted by Judge Nato. 12 jurors, 12 peers of Ms. Hunter, found her guilty of one count of having an unlawful interest in a public contract, which was signed by all 12 jurors. The sentence was imposed by Judge Nato on December 5th, 2014. He imposed that sentence, Judge Nato ordered Ms. Hunter to come to the Justice Center on the 29th of December 2014 to begin the sentence. That was stayed by our First District Court of Appeals. On January 15, 2016, in a 3-0 decision, the First District Court of Appeals, from the trial court, found that Ms. Hunter had received a fair trial. The Ohio Supreme Court, in an entry dated May 18, 2016, and I quote, declines to accept jurisdiction pursuant to Supreme Court Practice Rule 7.08b4. In other words, there was not enough there for the Ohio Supreme Court to even review the case. They didn't take it in. They lifted their stay. They said, go ahead, court, proceed with the execution of the sentence. The defendant then appealed, filed a habeas corpus in the federal court. Judge Black then stayed the execution of the sentence. After that, federal magistrate Judge Karen Likovitz reviewed the case. On May 9, 2017, she submitted a report and recommendation to Judge Black recommending that Hunter's petition for writ of habeas corpus be denied with prejudice. The defendant objected to that report. On May 29, 2019, 2 years later, Judge Timothy S. Black, the United States District Judge, issued a decision. I think it is appropriate at this point to just, I've read it, to share for the record a couple of things. On page 2, and I quote, early in these proceedings, Hunter's attorney stated, quote, regardless of whether this federal court ultimately agrees with Judge Hunter on the merits of her claims, this case presents an opportunity for the federal court to restore lost confidence in the justice system by giving Judge Hunter a fair opportunity to be heard in federal court, a venue that the community trusts as being above local politics before she is put in jail. Judge Black then says this federal court now discharges that duty with this decision. He goes on further on page 22 to say, the last paragraph, nevertheless, in summary as to this objection, the evidence at trial that Hunter had delivered to her brother documents to which he was not entitled for the purpose of protecting his employment as a juvenile correction officer at the Hamilton County Youth Center, as well as the testimony regarding Hunter's additional conduct intervening on her brother's behalf, and I quote, strongly supports the jury's verdict that Hunter was guilty of having an unlawful interest in a public contract. That's the federal judge saying this. The federal judge goes on further to say this strong evidence, I quote, strong evidence supporting the jury's verdict on count 6 undermines petitioner's claim that the verdict was a result of the inflammatory and prejudicial effect of remarks made by the special prosecutor during closing argument. On page 25, the federal judge, Judge Black, then says, conclusion, number 1, the report and recommendation is adopted in its entirety. That is Magistrate Likovitz. Number 2, petitioner's objections and respondent's objections are overruled. Skip 3, 4, petitioner's petition for writ of habeas corpus pursuant to 28 U.S.C. section 2254 is denied with prejudice and dismissed. Goes on in paragraph 7, the court's prior order granting petitioner's emergency motion for stay of execution of sentence is hereby set aside and vacated. And 8, the court shall enter judgment accordingly, whereupon this case is terminated on the docket of this court, that is the federal court. After that, because she's represented by very, very good lawyers, the lawyers then went to the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals, where they filed for a writ of habeas corpus. I'll just read part of on the last page in their order, which was dated July 18, 2019. And I quote, Hunter has not demonstrated she is likely to succeed on the merits of her claim that she was denied a constitutionally fair trial is the result of the improper remarks by the prosecutor. Goes on to say she has not demonstrated she will suffer any additional irreparable harm in the absence of a stay. And the United States Supreme Court has noted, quote, the state's strong interest in enforcing its criminal judgments without due interference from federal courts. The interest of the state and the public in the finality and enforcement of judgments supports the denial of stay of pending appeal. Accordingly, the motion for stay pending appeal is denied. That's by the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals. So with that, I've read it once. I'm not going to go through it again. Just to note, all the state courts have looked at this. Every one of them has said that Ms. Hunter received a fair trial.
That's right.
I went to the federal court. You can shake your head if you'd like. The federal courts also said she received a fair trial all the way up to the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals. The only thing left is the Supreme Court, and I doubt that they're going to take it in. They all did their duty, and now it's my turn to follow my oath, uphold the rule of law. In this case, the law certainly permits it.
Judge,
I believe Justice, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry to interrupt. Just one second. I'm sorry. Judge.
That's fine.
Wow. She knows some shit's gonna go down. She knows some shit's gonna go down.
She sure does.
Yes,
she's just
she
waiting
does.
on it.
Oh God, just go.
They're thinking about it right now.
Look at this shit.
For a plea, she's like, well, let's just do something different. Go ahead.
Are you fucking kidding me? What is there to talk about? Lock the bitch up. I mean, she's had a retrial, everything. She's gotten everything she's wanted. And it still comes out the same.
Right.
Oh God, she's gonna go speak.
What are we doing here, Mr. Singleton?
I'm sorry, Judge. Tracie,
I gave her an opportunity to speak, and that was turned down. It's not being offered now. Please have a seat.
So you're denying my right as a defendant to address the court?
Ma'am, please have a seat.
I just want to make sure. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. The record should reflect again, you were offered an opportunity to speak, and you turned that down.
Here we go. Here we go.
Please, everybody's been great. I appreciate that. As a court of law, thank you for that. As you all heard, she was offered an opportunity and turned that down. With that, in this case, I believe the law permits the execution of the sentence, and I know justice gets thrown around a lot, but I think justice demands in this particular case. So the court, Ms. Hunter, orders the execution of the sentence imposed on December 5th, 2014 by Judge Nadel. That is as follows: 1 year community control, that's non-reporting. Since you will be on community control, I will advise you, as I'm required to by law, that if you violate any of the conditions of the community control, come back in front of me. I will sentence you to 18 months, the Ohio Department of Corrections. It is a felony of the 4th degree. The conditions of the community control are real simple. as indicated in the judgment entry by Judge Nadel. Number one, you pay the cost of these proceedings. Number two, you are to not violate any laws. Number three, you are to do 6 months in the Hamilton County Justice Center, credit 1 day. Mr. and Ms. Deputies can take her away.
6 months. And then she's going to act like a 2-year-old.
Yeah.
She's the judge.
Look at her. Patty Sturgis, get those people under control in your state.
They're all wacky up here.
Can you believe that shit? Now, this judge, because I've been researching this judge. Let me tell you, well, she's no judge no more. Her name is Tracie Hunter. Okay, she's still trying to get her license back to practice law. And no.
They'll probably end up giving it to her.
2023, she stood up in front of the Supreme Court. No, and I have that too. But let me tell you something. Listen to what the jury foreperson said here.
Judge Hunter, this is a sad day for you, your supporters, our system of justice, and your family.
Harsh words from Judge Norbert Nadel for Hamilton County Juvenile Court Judge Tracie Hunter, as she was found guilty of unlawful interest in a public contract. Now WLWT has new insight from the jury foreperson, Sandra Kirkham, about the frustration of reaching a verdict in only one of the 9 felony charges. She writes, "I am extremely frustrated and disappointed with the results of our deliberations. The evidence presented by the prosecution was compelling and convincing. It is very disconcerting that a judge might so attempt to manipulate our judicial system without severe consequences." Hunter's attorney said he will appeal, and one of Hunter's leading supporters says this is all about politics after she became a juvenile court judge 2 years ago.
She was not welcomed in May of 2012. She was not welcomed to that juvenile court bench. And when you're not welcomed, there can be some power struggles, and that's literally what this was about.
Bishop Bobby Hilton said he talked to Hunter after the verdict.
She actually is doing amazingly well.
Oh, come on. She is nobody. Look at this. Look at this shit. I don't care. Look at this guy.
Right.
It's all theatrics. Look at this guy.
She's doing amazing.
Sarah. Don't look at her. Don't take her picture. Oh my God. Come on.
Oh.
Stop it. Stop. Okay, let's continue.
Talk to the hand, right?
Yeah, look at him. Look at him.
She had her head lifted. She had her confidence lifted. So
she's
she
laughing.
well.
She's laughing. You guys see that? She's laughing. Oh, where are we?
And he talked to Hunter after the verdict.
She thinks it's funny.
She actually is doing amazingly well. She had her head lifted.
No joke to her.
She had her confidence lifted. So she prepared well.
Wow. Wow. Patty.
What?
Do you know that,
That's
Judge?
not my fault.
Sure it is.
No, I've never stood in front of her.
By the way, guess what? Rapper was back here.
Well, did he come up?
Rapper, I don't know if it's a he or she came up here, but I wasn't just going to put the person up if I don't know if it's that person, right? I need to know you.
Right. I was up here too earlier.
Huh?
I come up earlier too.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Are you sure it was Rapper or was it me?
No, it was after you.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I don't know what to tell him. He's being a little mean today. Right?
Yeah, and we don't need that. So
what's up? Yeah, just carry on. Let's continue.
We just carry on our happy selves. So
That's
now let's go to a JLR lawsuit.
All right, let's do it.
He sued Putin.
Girl has serious issues.
Let me find it. I got like 10 here. No, actually 3, 6, 9, 10. Let's see, who's this one? Who do you sue here? Okay, I got it. Okay, unfortunately, the good ones, I'm sure,
There's
will not.
echoing going on.
Not
Okay,
for me.
well,
I got headphones
where'd
on.
Kit go? She
I
got
got
us on
headphones on.
mute.
I don't got you on
Can
mute.
y'all hear me?
I can hear you. There is echoing going on. I'm not. I got headphones.
Well, I'm pretty sure she got this on mute. Sorry.
Hello, hello, hello. Is there still an echo?
Okay. You can hear me, but you can't hear Kit or
I can
anything
hear
that's going
you.
on? I can't hear nothing but myself talking.
Well, go out and come back in.
Good. Well, I guess I'll try to put some stops in the chat because I can't hear Kit.
What the fuck is going on? Hey, you. How you been? Thank you. It's been a while. All right. We're going to go. JLR is suing Putin.
Can you hear me, Kit? Because I can't hear you.
Yes, I hear you. Yes, I hear you.
Okay, well, just talk to me by the computer there because I see you typing.
Okay, we're going to go to, okay, now this is what I was really disappointed because I could get the complaint, right? But I got the dismissal, and it kind of tells you. Okay, Putin, Jonathan Lieberger's versus Vladimir Putin.
Well, I don't
Plaintiff, a federal prisoner proceeding in pro se, filed this pro se complaint against okay, I'm not even going to say, okay, Putin and several other Russian politicians and citizens. A federal court must conduct a preliminary screening in any case in which a prisoner seeks readiness from a government entity or an employee, officer or employee of the government entity or whatever entity. In its review, the court must identify record claims and dismiss any claims that is frivolous, malicious, fail to state a claim upon relief, may be granted, or seek monetary relief from the defendant. Who is immune from, and then it talks about this. So this is what he says here, okay? Where are we? Plaintiff alleges the defendants used to give him vodka. Hold on. Plaintiff alleges that defendants refused to give him vodka. Have made his hostage room freezing like Siberia, and have given prison guards AKs, suitcase nukes. Plaintiff further alleges that the Russian oil stole the food budget and plaintiff's prison, and the defendant Putin's plans to become warden of the subject plaintiff to torture. Plaintiff seeks a restraining order to stop defendants from playing Russian roulette. No, wait. No, stop it. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay. Stop playing Russian roulette with my life and body. As plaintiff's allegations are clearly baseless, the complaint will be dismissed as frivolous. Come on now. What else? What is this? Russian roulette. Well, I want to see his complaints, but I mean, he can keep cases going for years with certain people. I've noticed he keeps filing motions. He was able to do all this. Really? Patty Sturgis, what is going on? I know. How stupid. Let's see. Let's bring up another one. Let me find another one. Let me go to the next one to see what that one is. Where did Kelly go? Kelly. We don't see her a lot. Hold on a minute. Which is this one? What's this one? Hold on. What's that? I don't know who this is, but let's look at it. I don't. Hold on. Here's another one. Let's look at it. I wasn't able to give the complaint. There's so many. You guys, there's like 4,000. Okay. So this is January 16th, and he sued Jeff Foxworthy. Here's all the case numbers, all the civils. Plaintiff, a federal prisoner, pro se, filed 21 civil action listed above against a variety of defendants. A federal court must conduct a preliminary screening, to which case a prisoner seeks readiness from a government. Okay, we know but it gets. Oh my God, sorry. So they go on to say, in an order filed January 2nd, 2008, the court dismissed 22 prior cases filed by plaintiff because they're frivolous. The court also noted within the past 2 months, plaintiff has sent to this court approximately 160 different civil complaints, setting forth similarly and probably and not impossible allegations. Let's see. Plaintiff has used and filed frivolous cases in other federal district courts, prompting the United States District Judge to make the following findings about plaintiff's filings. It is unclear. Okay, it is unclear whether these outlandish pleadings are products of actual mental illness or simply a hobby, a skin to sort writings. Whatever their origin, and though they are amusing to the average reader, they do nothing but clog the machinery of justice, interfering with the court's ability to address the needs of genuine aggrieved. It is time for this to stop. The court restricted plaintiff from filing any civil complaints in this court without payment for a full statutory fee. The complaint is listed above. Cases must be dismissed because they are set forth claims, allegations, they're rational, baseless, or whatever. So what does he say here? He made allegations that actors Eddie Murphy, Jeff Foxworthy make fun of the inmates, and that the actor Matt Damon and the character he portrays in the movie Jason Bourne have caused the plaintiff's brain damage. Okay. And actor Tobey Maguire has a duty to help plaintiff with special powers as Spider-Man. Moreover, plaintiff has not paid the filing fee. Oh my God. All right. Jesus. You guys. Kelly, Kelly, Kelly. I got the court documents. It's 24 pages on. I didn't want to read it about the judge. Can you believe, you guys? Can you believe that? You can just go to Pacer and say, I want this one here. Well, it's more than that, though. I want to take and look at that case. Right? Telling you. Scary. Have you found any responses from the complaints? Oh, I read that. When he files motions. I mean, the shit he has done, the things he has done to the court system is crazy. I sit there and look at it, and I know it's not funny, but it is kind of funny if you think about it, right? Can you imagine working for the court? Oh my God, I just can't, you guys. Come on. He's messing around with Russia? Oh, he's crazy. Okay, let's look at this. Where am I? Let's look at this girl from Jersey. She gets arrested. This Jersey girl. Oh, then we'll get...
On May 12th, 2024, police in New Jersey responded to a bar restaurant on a report of a fight inside. Here are the events that occurred.
Hold on. Let me speed this up. Let's do it.
Regarding Correa 20. Okay. Please, baby.
Señora. ¿Pero qué pasó? Okay. Oh my God, you got me stuck. I believe that's the right. ¿Pero de qué? ¿Qué pasó?
Just talk over here. Let's go on the side.
You're going to find me. I don't got to expect that she's working. That's my wife. She thought she was working.
Holy shit.
I'm going to take it easy. Is your wife over here?
Oh.
Señora, let's go. We're going to start going. Let's go.
Holy shit. Holy shit. My God.
Cortó algo.
Where's your car? Yeah.
Señora. Vamos. Get in the car. Right now, there's no issues. It's not making an issue. Let's just get in the car and be out. Let's go. Wait, hold on. Let him stay here for a second. Stand by. Wait here for a second. You got ID on you?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Yo no iba a hacer nada, yo iba atrás de Samantha. No tuvo que agarrar más. Listen what happened, that's my wife.
All right.
Come here every
Let me
day.
see your ID though. You can tell the story, but I need to see your ID.
What's my ID? It's in the car. Yo no iba a hacer nada, yo iba atrás de Samantha, de mi amiga. Y él me cogió por la cara.
Let's get it.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you. I think I lost it inside the fucking. Let's see who's that.
Well, I don't know. Those are your friends coming in?
Yeah.
All right.
So you can't not choke it, but hold them back. But like aggressive. My cousin, that's his wife. You know, of course it's gonna get out of hand. One more again.
Si ya pagaron, por favor, váyanse. Oye, si ya pagaron, por favor, váyanse. Por favor. Vamos. Todo el mundo para su casa. Yo, si todo está pagado, por favor, váyanse para la casa. Vamos.
I have no idea what they're saying.
That's my wife.
Yeah, we had a little, I think it was a little simple, so I'm going to figure it out right now. I'm getting the info.
Where's Franco?
I think you want to find him? He might be talking to the bouncer inside. You don't have a license?
Yeah, I can't find it. That's my passport.
Mo, stay with that female party.
14.
Oh, wait, hold this for 1 second. I'm gonna take your info first. All right.
You know, that's why the other guy.
Para ver un compañero.
Eso dominicano que mata de todo, yo lo parto la vida, eso no puede. Yo si no cojo miedo aquí en este país. Yo lo parto.
What the hell's going on? I don't even know what they're saying, but this was May 12th of 2024.
Soy yo. Para que vea que nada más tiene que ser nombre mío, para que ellos son este pueblo.
Yo no le hice nada al mar y me cogió por el cuello enseguida por la cara.
Es vigilante.
Es vigilante como si...
Everybody knows me here. You can go to Havana. You just mention my name. Everybody knows me. I've been coming here for years. And I told them, don't touch it. That's my wife.
So it was a misunderstanding from the security guard.
It was a misunderstanding.
He's doing his job, but the problem
He's doing his job.
He's being too aggressive.
Yeah, he grabbed her, and I go, yo, take it easy. That's my wife. It's a misunderstanding. And you know, I go, don't touch it. Because you wouldn't like it, somebody grabs your wife like that. Of course. You know, it's my birthday. I came, I brought her here. She don't come here to this place. Mostly I come every day, but she don't. I was like, let's go have a couple of drinks. And she was coming after her friend. Her friend was leaving. And her friend forgot something. And she came out running. Security guard thought she was going after somebody. They just grabbed her. Boom.
Señor. Ok, espera un momentico. Señor, ¿va a querer echar cargos a la muchacha?
Sí.
Deja que él habla. Señor.
Why don't these cops like get it together here? My God, this is insane.
Él me tiene que decir, no puede ser otra persona. Señor, ¿quiere poner carga contra ella? Señor, háblame a mí. ¿Quiere poner carga?
Háblalo oficial. Say yes, if that's it. Háblalo oficial. Jeremy.
¿Que sí o no?
Say yes. Jeremy, say yes. Jeremy, say yes.
Ok, tranquilo.
Háblalo oficial.
Por favor, ¿quién está con él?
Escupe la sangre.
¿Solo tú?
Escupe la sangre.
Ok, por favor, por lo menos una persona, todo el mundo para su casa.
Escupe la sangre. Escupe la sangre. Say yes. Escupe la sangre.
Why, was he any of us?
Sí, demasiado. Ella está partido. La nariz está partida de aquí a aquí. Escupe la sangre. No trae la sangre.
Señor, ¿va a querer poner carga contra la jeva? ¿La muchacha? ¿Sí o no?
Yes or no? Escupe la sangre.
Él no puede. Porque está partido completo.
Sí, pero no, con la boca no. Él puede hablar, él estaba hablando ahora mismo.
Sí, ahora estamos aquí.
Una persona más. De todas maneras, él se va para el hospital. ¿Tú vas con él? Okay.
I have no idea what the hell's going on here, but you know, I'm trying to figure it out myself. I have no idea. Somebody got hurt. That much I do know. I was hoping the CC would pick up some of the
Entonces para la casa, vamos.
Let's go. The house number? That's my number. We'll look it up. That's her phone number. But where's she going? I gotta see the camera.
Yeah, because there's a lot of bullshit going on.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna go speak to them, see if I can get cameras.
Yep.
Headquarters to EMS 1.
No. Ellos fue y me apretó durísimo y me acogió la cara.
The cameras are there. Aseguro, mira, aseguro en el carro. Aseguro en el carro.
So, I'm just going to ask you, and I need an honest answer. Who did she hit when she was inside?
She didn't know nobody. No, because I was there. we were drinking. If you could see the whole camera.
You gotta take the footage.
So if we look at the footage, and she hits him, I know. But what we're getting right now is that she assaulted someone and they got serious injury on their face.
Right.
If that happens, I'm gonna be flat out with you. Sure. She's gonna, you know what happens.
So
after
what we're
that.
saying is we don't know because there's a lot of shit going on.
But if you see the camera,
No, we got guys.
See the camera?
We got guys right now.
There's a girl that smacked her, and she just left in the car. You see, you could have stopped her,
But you didn't. But you didn't tell
But I'm
me
telling
any
you,
of
she
that.
got it.
Right now,
But listen, I told you since the beginning. We were drinking with her friend. Her friend left. She goes, "Listen, I gotta go to work. Her daughter's in my house. Her mom is taking care of her."
Check this out. There's somebody in there leaking, bleeding. All right. The slap on the grade of somebody bleeding.
Yeah.
Come on.
A guy or a female?
A guy. There's a guy bleeding. In
All
there.
right. Why is the guy bleeding?
That's what we're gonna find out.
He was trying
That's
to
what
hit.
we're
That's why they went inside
Check the
to
footage.
look up further what happened.
I got you.
And look at the footage.
Right.
Yeah, you
So-
got.
that's the
I
best
don't
thing you
know.
could do.
There's a lot of shit going on.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. But this guy,
I mean, but
he
the
seems
problem
like he
source-
knows more than what
Yeah,
you're
because I
saying.
was right next to her.
Okay.
And her friend left. She was like, "I'm gonna go to your house, pick up my daughter. Her daughter's at my house." And I was like, "All right." And she left her. I think she left her phone or wallet, and she just came out after her. The security grabbed her like that. I was like, "Yo, take it easy. That's my wife. You fuck you grabbing her like that?" And everybody just came out. Some other chick started smacked her right in the face. That's where I got crazy. All right, it's in the cameras.
Yeah.
Got him. That's the owner. I know her for a long time. She also comes shit because of her workers. Y las cosas no son así, ¿no? Las cosas son como son. Tú puedes preguntar toda la barra que hizo yo. Y mami me conoce todo, yo nunca hubo otro problema.
What a mess. Look at this.
Yo no sé, pero si ahora mismo es una cosa así. Pero si un hombre está cortado, ¿por qué se está cortado? Porque se metió a quedar la golpe. Porque si una problema, lo estoy diciendo que no se
¿Quién
mete.
está cortado?
Supuestamente hay un tipo está cortado.
Y cortado porque si no tiene nada.
No, por eso,
ahí está la cámara.
por eso mi
Porque
compañero
la última vez, mira, la última vez aquí. No, listen. No, la última vez aquí. No es eso. La última vez aquí. Una tipa se cortó y le metió problema al amigo mío aquí.
Okay.
Ella sola se arañó y se cortó.
All right. So listen.
And I was here.
So right now.
Actually, this is New Jersey. This is crazy. I can't understand anything. I'm going to have to go learn Spanish. Can somebody teach me? For real.
Based off the footage that they saw inside, everything, they determined that she's going to be placed under arrest right now.
What was she mad about? The girl.
Te van a arrestar.
Turn around.
3-5.
¿Por qué van a poner esposa?
Porque supuestamente.
But that footage is evidence, right?
Yes. Yeah, so get over the way.
Pero a mí me pones esposa.
Estate tranquila.
All right. Does she have anything in there that she needs? ID.
We have another injured party there, or
yes.
person because we just got a medical.
Whenever we have that information for her sake, she's going to be out faster. If we don't have her
Vamos. Yo voy con un abogado. ¿Tu pasaporte dónde está?
Yo no lo traje.
¿Está en la casa? I'm gonna go home and pick up her passport. I'll go to 6 years.
I got some info on. You gonna take a gun or what's that?
Anyways, I'll be with you in a minute. All right.
You're waiting for a while. That's a friend.
A mí me da
Cállate. Silencio.
Aquí, por favor.
Vamos a ver si podemos, ¿ok?
Yo mañana necesito trabajar, marica.
Vamos a intentar hacer esto lo más rápido, ¿ok?
Oh my God.
All right. Can someone get me the bouncer's info? Can someone get me the bouncer's info? The one who's bleeding. I guess so. I don't know. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I need someone to follow me. All right, let's get it. All right. 334 to headquarters. I'm going to be transporting one female 1025 from 54055 to police headquarters. Starting mileage 19,373.
14.
Huh?
I had to, like.
No, you're fine, dude. All right. Okay, senora.
Señora, ¿qué pasó los zapatos?
Los dejé en el carro.
I think she left them.
Bueno, pero el tiempo está frío. ¿Necesita ayuda?
Okay.
¿Ellos te dicen que yo corté algo?
No, dijeron que le tiraste un vaso a un muchacho, se partió.
¿Y esto demora?
¿Ah?
¿Esto demora?
Dependiendo cómo te se comporta.
Rápido.
Yo mañana tengo que trabajar.
Sí, yo entiendo.
Can we get a call back at 5503 Madison?
Señora. Aquí.
Ok.
Un momento, okay.
Ok.
Si se comporta, lo hacemos esto. Listo, rápido. Sí. Lo voy a decir, doctor.
That's what you said you wanted a call back? Yes, at 5503 Madison.
Sí, sí, vamos a intentar hacerlo lo más rápido posible, ¿ok? Puede hablar con el supervisor. Aquí está. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
¿Qué fue lo que pasó?
Estaba en la 55 Sausa. Mi amiga iba saliendo.
Y una
trabajadora de ahí que anda como con su marido, algo así.
¿Tú estabas ahí como clienta?
Sí, festejando el cumpleaños de mi pareja.
Okay.
Mi hermano y ella. Y otros amigos.
Sí.
Cuando ella se sale, ella dejó cuidando a su niña en mi casa. Entonces yo salgo atrás de ella a decirle que cuando lleguen, llave para yo avisar a mi mamá. Y el portero me pone por acá que me conoce la intención. Yo le dije, ¿pero intención de qué? Me dice, no, que yo te conozco, y se alteraron todos. Empezaron como a halagar y una vez las vi trató como de darme cara. ¿Eso tiene cámara? ¿Sí? Okay. Muchas gracias.
Pero necesito una firma diciendo que le devolví todas sus cosas.
Ok.
Sí. Okay.
Okay.
Good, gentlemen.
All right.
Gracias.
All right. Explain everything to her. The court date is on there.
Here? It's no, it's Jersey City.
It's going to be Jersey City. So make sure she goes. If she doesn't go, there's going to be a warrant out, and then after that, that's it. I also warned her that this is going to be a first offense. That's the only reason this is happening.
Yeah.
But if anything else happens, you know how that goes, right? All right.
Just make sure that she shows up to that. All right. It's Jersey City.
Yeah, the
May
address is right there.
12th?
All the information is there.
27th.
Yeah.
All right. All right, boss. Thank you very much.
Have a good night.
Thank you very much. Hasta luego.
The female was arrested, processed, and charged with simple assault. She was released on a summons to appear. Please leave a comment, and of course, don't forget to like.
Well, that was stupid. That was stupid. The title is all wrong. 15 times. This one's going to be good. Okay, so let's get into BJ. I was like, who is this BJ girl? People have been going after for years. Hello. Oh, you're on the vertical. So I went looking into, just tiny bit looking into Brittney, and I'm just gonna be honest. I think she's boring. Okay, to me, she's boring. I don't know why these people are coming at her. And she has 2 channels. This is her smaller channel, and she's got one that's at she's got 20K. But I see nothing here that.
Has anybody seen reality tonight?
Yeah, right here, lady.
Glad we're here and we're getting started again. I apologize, y'all, for the delay.
Okay.
Hang on.
I have no idea then.
Whatever the
When it's
thing
in your
is.
arm, it's not in your ear.
Oh, okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Y'all, everybody don't call YB names or anything like that. If she if Wabi Sabi wants
You know what
to
that
have,
means?
I know what
The only thing I know about this lady is that she's very popular on YouTube because she was in Sebastian's dad's camp, where people took sides for parents. And she did that lawsuit with Bullhorn Betty and them. Yeah, Brittney J. It's crazy. Is that what's going on here? I was kind of thinking that. I mean, to continue doing this toxic shit for 2 years, going on 3 maybe, I don't know. But let me tell you something. I guess they all enjoy it, but I think she's boring. Her and her old man.
The new meme. It's a new meme. Wabi Sabi.
I know what wasabi is. I don't know what wabi sabi.
Wabi Sabi means that there's a little bit something.
Jesus.
Girl, thank you so much my goodness.
Like, are you down to
She
cover?
did. Hold on a minute. I got something. I'm gonna go over this real quick.
So
they knew what the fuck was happening.
So, okay, I kind of get a better idea. Who's this Team Sebastian? You guys know who Lauren is? Perplexed. That pretty much told me everything right there. You really? There's people that constantly do videos of this girl over and over and over and over and over. And I just want to see what's going on here. What's the big deal? And I haven't found anything that's really a big deal. So now they're talking about Makeup Monster. And I'll show you her other channel. Hold on. Hold up. Brittney. Brittney J. Hurry up. Why is it going so slow? Where's her other channel? Here we go. Hold on, stay with me, people. Oh, that should be interesting. Okay, good night. What's wrong? What's wrong? Love you, girl. Beautiful picture, by the way. Okay, let's get back to, here's Brittany's other channel. Let's see who's up here. Reality Wins, Melissa, Moon. I don't know any of these people, but they all like talking about each other, I guess. This channel, she's got almost 20K, and people like her.
Like white. So some people say I qualify, some say I don't. It is what it is.
So I'm gonna claim one more song, and if Melissa don't want this one, I'm jacking it. It's the last.
I chose Blues Clues, Britt.
I tossed.
It's funny.
It's funny.
Who is this girl?
Luna. Luna, that's what happened to me the last time I smoked weed.
I don't know who any of these people are. Nobody in the chat either.
What are y'all? Oh, here, let's finish this real quick, y'all. We ain't even finished this. Let's finish.
But from my very short-term observation, I find them very, very boring. Okay, monotone bullshit. Right? I'm not trying to be mean. That's just not my cup of tea. And I don't know how people can do this every single day with this Brittney J. I really don't. I don't know. I mean, hey, she's well liked. She got that going. She got that going for her. Unless she, you know, she's able to fool people. Is she the one that falls asleep? Oh, that's her that nods off. I think I've heard something about that. I didn't know it was her. There's nothing to listen to. Listen to me. There's nothing, you guys. Nothing. And she's very well like, good for her. Good for her. How boring. I'm just saying. Wow. She might be the one who went to court this week. Ooh. See, I don't know what the hell's going on. Oh, did you? Is it? I know. I wanted to see what all the fuss was about. So I was going to go looking through her stuff. But then I thought about it. I thought, oh, I better be careful because she did that lawsuit. And I don't want her to give me strikes. Right? So I'm not really going to really go through her shit. I just want to show little tiny bits to show to me how boring her channels are to me. Okay? I don't think there's anything exciting really going on. And, no hate there. It's just not my cup of tea. That's all I'm saying. And I don't understand how people can every day, every single day, go after this person. But what she does also, she plays the little game too, though. So it's like, is this for real? Is this shit for real? Right? I'm just saying. All right. We are going to go to... Have we seen this one? Drunk man gets himself arrested for the 15th time. Here
In
we
March
go.
2023, officers responded to a domestic disturbance call in La Crosse, Wisconsin.
Ooh.
Dispatch advised that a male was very intoxicated and involved in physical altercations with his girlfriend. It was mentioned that he chased after her and forcefully pushed her out of a door.
Is she the one that she gets all this shit from people? Or she'll say that she has an emergency? Well, a lot of people do that on here, though. A lot of people do. People have the IQ of an earthworm. Oh, okay. She's boring, though. What do they do? What do they sit there and do? I mean, I know. I could never review her. Actually do a review of one of her shows. There's absolutely not. Well, you know what I should do? You know what I should do? No, I couldn't do that to my peoples. No, I couldn't do it. I would feel like shit. Hey, I'm grateful when people give me anything because I go buy food and I take pictures of it. I'm just grateful for you people being here with me.
The subject, soon identified as a 23-year-old male named Noah, is well known for his extensive criminal history. At any given point, when alcohol passes through his esophagus and is absorbed into his bloodstream, he has a tendency to become loud.
Baby, I love you! Baby!
Aggressive.
I will fist fight all three of y'all till I get tased.
don't wanna do that.
I don't give a
And hostile.
I hope you and your family got to Mexico. Go back to Mexico, you piece of
Upon reaching the location, an officer proceeded through an alley and noticed a gold vehicle parked near the residence.
That's me walking behind you.
As he approached, the vehicle quickly sped off in an effort to evade the officer.
Nitra's gold cars that might be leaving here. Can't get a plate from here. It's going north through the alley.
Did we?
It's speeding off. It's probably in.
Did we watch him before?
Did he just take off in the car? Sounds like the driver is his girlfriend.
We'll
We saw
find
an
out.
officer was behind them. So.
Okay, good. Because I was pretending to get his money and so f***ed up.
Is he
I'm done.
drunk?
Oh, yeah?
Maybe his sister or mom? Okay.
wasted, coming freaking out, yelling at her. We're just getting ready for bed, and he comes storming in, freaking out, and she told me.
Dispatch also advised that Noah had 3 active felony cases and was currently on bond with a restriction not to consume alcohol.
She said he's drunk. I said, what the fuck are you doing drinking? For one, that's part of your no bond, or your bond is no drinking.
Yeah.
And for 2, you can't handle it.
Minutes later, the officer located the vehicle parked once again. When he stepped out to confirm it was the vehicle, it rapidly sped off once more.
I found it down here. It's in a yard in Alaska Court. Looks like it's gonna back up. It's taking off.
So I just calmed down because I don't want him to start breaking in my house, because he will. Like, my daughter wanted to lock the door when he came out, but I'm like, don't do that. He'll bust the window. You know, he's right here, right now, all the way. I worry for her safety. When he gets like this, he's very temperamental and violent. He knocked her down next to the car.
Sounds like they're with the car and he might be trying to drive, or somebody might be trying to drive away. Would she flee?
No.
Eventually, another officer was able to intercept it and initiate a traffic stop, observing Noah in the passenger seat.
Oh my God. Stop the car! Get out of the car! Let me stand in the car. You stay in the car. Noah, come here. Come here. I know. Stay there. Come here. I'm not yelling at you. Turn around. Yeah.
While attempting to take him into custody, Noah was resistive.
What the did I do? The driver. Where'd she go? Cuffs on him. $5 bang on me right now. Look at what he's doing to me. Knock it off. Baby, I'm not resisting. No, you're doing it. I'm not messing up. Relax your where are you? No. Who is he?
Officer Marcon.
You're a piece of I'll die. I'm okay. I won't let go. I won't hurt you. Stop. You are under arrest. You're pissing me off. I can't get his radar. Oh, you're pissing me off. You're pissing me off. Officer Marcon across the
my
fucking wristband is. I didn't do anything, dude. I'm not doing anything. Don't relax. Bro, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. You are under arrest. Bro, you're under arrest. No. You are under arrest. Oh, my fucking wrist. Just comply. I promise to die. That's a case you. That's what. Open. Who is that? No. I didn't do anything wrong, bro. No, relax. What the are you guys treating my for? I got an eye on it. Come here. You can. Grab his arm. Yeah. It's money, bro. Yeah, it's my money, bro. Don't touch my money. It's my taxes. Put my money back. That's my taxes. We'll take care of it. No, f that, bro. It smells like marijuana, so we're gonna search it anyways. Nothing. I didn't do nothing. I was in the passenger seat, and this is what I get treated like. Ow. Like, go on my wait. Fix my wrist. No. Fix my wrist first. No. Fix.
Did they say what state this is? 3/24/2023. I think maybe we have watched him before, guys.
Fix my wrist first. It hurts. Fix it, please.
Baby.
Please help me. Please help me. I didn't do nothing wrong. Baby. It hurts. I'm in the passenger seat. Why the f am I going into jail?
You can't drink, man. You're bound not to drink.
I'm not drunk. I go to fucking jail tomorrow. I go to juvenile court tomorrow. I'm not drunk.
Put him in the car for now. Take a seat.
Ow. Fix it. No, it hurts. It hurts. It really hurts.
Take a seat in the car.
Fix my wrist. Please.
We'll help you.
Boardman, I have not done nothing to you.
Take a seat.
Please fix my wrist. It fucking hurts. All I ask for, I will stand forward. I don't care. All I ask is you to fix my left hand. Fix my left hand. Baby!
She was right. No, I can tell.
What are you talking about my girlfriend for? What are you talking about her for? Baby!
We're not talking about her. We're not talking about her at all.
Baby, I love you, baby.
No, take a seat in the car and we can help you out the best we can, but you gotta listen to us, all right?
No. Baby!
Noah.
Baby! Noah.
Noah, take a seat, please.
Noah. That's my fucking queen.
I understand. I get it, man.
I didn't do nothing wrong, though. Why am I going in the back seat, man? I was just in my mom's house. What did I do wrong? I have to report for 5 months in jail tomorrow.
No, here's the thing. Either take a seat or we're gonna have to
all right,
get you.
All right. Ow. Fix my wristband. Fix. That's all I ask. Please. It hurts. Please, that's all I ask.
Which one?
My left one. My left. That's all I ask for. Yes. That's all I ask for. I literally all I ask for is my left. Ow. Please stop getting me. Please.
We're not, man. We're just trying to get
you. Okay, well, why are you guys doing that to me? What did I do to you?
No, we're not being.
It hurts.
I need you to lift your hands up for me.
Baby.
No, lift both your arms up as high as you can.
I'm trying,
Thank you.
Bro. Baby, I
Whole
love you,
finger,
baby.
man. Yeah, no. I don't know what else you want to do.
Right one or what?
I can get a whole finger. I can get it.
I love you, baby. Ow, 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 my left wrist, my left wrist, my left wrist, my left wrist, please, please. Ow, ow, ow. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's really not. It's really not. Please. No, please fix it. Please fix it. Fix it. It hurts. It's tightening so fucking bad.
It's locked. It cannot
The
get any tighter.
left one. I want, no. That hurts. Ow.
No, it's because of how
No. Fix it.
Here's the thing. We can't make it go.
I don't care what you can do.
Okay.
You can't do shit. Get the fuck away from me.
Yeah, let's try to help you.
All right.
Who's driving?
You're gonna treat him like that.
Faster seat. When I got out, she was driving. He got out and started coming after Aiden. He wasn't driving. They both got out of the car at the same time.
No, take tight, loosen it. It hurts, dude. It hurts. My partner. That's illegal. That's illegal. No, it's illegal. I've already talked to the COs at the jail. I know it's illegal. Please loosen it before it hurts my wrist. Please. That's all.
All these cops, like 7 cops for this one guy. Come on.
All I ask for, tighten me as tight as you can in there. All I ask for is my left wrist. No, take a seat. No, it hurts. It hurts. I can't sit down, please. I wouldn't ask for a surgery. I promise to God, I don't have no fucking reason to hurt you guys. I go to jail for 5 months tomorrow. Okay. Take it. So please. No.
Just keep your hands facing the other door.
I can't, dude. It hurts. Fix it, please. That's all I ask. You lacrosse police officers. I hate it.
No, it's your left hand?
It's my left hand that's tightened in the vice grip.
Okay.
Okay. If I double cuff, will it make it better?
We're not gonna double cuff. I'll just
take
loosen
it off. I don't care. I don't want to hurt you guys.
I'm not gonna take it off.
Oh my God.
Hold on. We can get a whole finger in there.
No, it hurts. It hurts. It hurts.
I know. Hold on. That's it right there. Don't move.
You guys, he's trolling the cops. Okay? Yeah. He's trolling the cops. Ow.
No PBT at jail.
Look at this. I'm laughing.
He's on monitor too.
Please let me look at it.
You can't.
What are you doing?
You can't
bro?
twist your hand in it.
What are you doing? No.
Just gotta make sure. Don't twist your hand from here, because if you twist it,
baby, I love you, baby.
There we go.
Baby,
don't twist your hand.
You hear me?
Don't twist your hand, okay? No one take a seat.
Princess, I love you, baby. I'm gonna get back out, okay? I love you, baby.
He had it stuck like this, so you couldn't turn it like it was just locked, just pinching his pulse.
What the f are we pulled over for? I have to go to.
All right. You just want me to go with him then? Get him out of here? Yeah, just get him out of here. We can figure out other charges.
Did you get anything on the way through the alley there?
No, I'm not
Did you hear that? Let's just get him out of here. We can figure out other charges. What?
I didn't see her anything.
I have to go to.
All right. You just want me to go with him then? Get him out of here? Yeah, just get him out of here. We can figure out other charges.
Did you get anything?
Yes, he did say that. We can figure out other charges. Wow. Dirty.
The way through the alley there?
No, I met him right here. Jesus. I didn't see her anything. I saw her 2 blocks till he got here. He was in the backyard, so I'll talk to Kev. I can go back there, see if anything. It looks like he may have hit something up front, or she may have. So I can go backtrack that. Just let jail staff. No, I'll be right.
All
Alright, let's get everyone else cleared up. Free up. Alright.
Open the door.
What?
Open the door. Please open the door.
I'm not gonna open the door.
Yeah, I want to talk to her. Open the door.
No.
Oh my God.
Go ahead.
Why is he acting like that? Is he on something or is he just upset?
I'll talk to you when this is.
While en route to the jail, Noah provided several words of discouragement to the officer.
You guys are please. You heard that? Takes you 7 squads for 2 people. Take me to Juneau. Go straight to Juneau. I don't want to go to La Crosse County. I gotta go to Juneau tomorrow at 8 a.m. Hey, you retard. You hear me? Dumb motherfucker. God, you La Crosse motherfuckers. I hope you all die. Especially you. I go to Juneau County tomorrow. Nobody give a fuck about La Crosse County. They all love me anyways. And change the domestic, because ain't nobody touch nobody. Change the domestic, because it ain't domestic. I don't put my hands on females, you fucking fat. For real, change the domestic, because I don't touch girls. It's okay, I'll be back out in 5 months, and I'm going to terrorize y'all.
Subsequently, a search of the vehicle was conducted, revealing various drug-related items.
Did you hear what he said? He'll be out in 5 months, and he's going to terrorize them all. Oh my God. He is. I think he is.
And an open can of Four Loko where Noah was sitting.
Mail. Somebody had this much mail. I didn't get this much mail. Good old college days. Reminds me of the good old college days, Lane. Good old Four Locos.
Any weed you found on her too is mine. Those 2 zips in her car are mine. Don't charge her with she ain't do nothing. It's all mine. Do not charge her with nothing. Literally, do not charge her. She's a wonderful fucking woman. All the fucking weed is mine. I promise to God, she has no idea about it being in there. Do not hurt her fucking feelings. Do not hurt her future. It is my fucking future. I am a piece of shit, and I know it. Do not ruin her future. That's all I ask.
I'll let them know. I'm not charging anybody. I'm just driving.
Whatever the fuck they found in her car is mine. So you tell them that.
I will.
The 2 zips they found in the back seat or in the center compartment is mine. I don't care. You tell them it's mine.
I'll let them know.
That is my fucking princess, and nothing will ever happen to her. Ever. I don't mean to be a fucking asshole to you at all.
I don't take it personally.
You don't?
Nope.
Bro, I'm supposed to go say 5 months tomorrow, man. I don't give a fuck. My life ain't
Don't say that. You're still young.
I ain't shit, bro. I had 19 felonies at fucking 19, bro. I ain't shit, but I promise I'm ready to go.
You can turn it around. You got a lot.
I'm a criminal.
I wouldn't say that. I think you just made some bad decisions a few times, and they just kind of piled up on you.
Oh my God. Why is everybody coming out?
You're a little amped up right away.
That's okay. I'm not gonna hurt nobody.
All right, I'll let him know. He's calmed down quite a bit now. He's calmed down quite a bit now. Yeah, he's back here.
Can you open the door so I can get some breath, please?
Yeah.
I won't hurt nobody.
I know. All right. Is he cool with it? Oh, yeah. He won't get it, but he is. It's gonna be a while. I don't know. I stopped the car.
I'll be straight here. Yes, sir.
Oh my God. What's that?
Hey, quiet.
Noah was
Look at that mugshot.
charged with felony counts of false imprisonment, bail jumping ×2, misdemeanor counts of resisting, obstructing an officer, disorderly conduct ×2, battery ×2, and criminal damage to property. Lastly, his cash bond was set at $10,000. So for the love of God, please keep alcohol away.
Oh my God, you guys. Do you guys want to watch one more or not? You want to watch one more or not? That's sad though. They already know the kid's got problems. Oh yeah, let's figure it out. We'll add more. Yeah. Yeah, that mugshot, I'm telling you. I should look at all his mugshots. Hold on, what's his name? Hold on. He should have 15. What's his name? Did they give the name? His name is Noah.
Noah was charged with felony counts of false imprisonment, bail jumping
I will figure out his last name. Don't worry about it. Let's see. Hold on. Well, this could be kind of funny. This one could be kind of funny. I don't want to be too serious now. All these other ones I have are people being unalived. We don't want that. She's about to do the unthinkable. There we go, and then we'll be done. This lady's got a smile on her face. So I don't know what she's going to do. All right, here we go. She's about to do the unthinkable. Oh, God. She stole the cop car.
The police receive a call about a Karen assaulting a man, but what they don't know is that this seemingly routine arrest is about to spiral into chaos, an event so unusual that even seasoned officers could hardly believe it.
What happened? Have you go sit right on the end right here while I go talk to them. Just don't want you to get hit because people can see. Just go sit at the end of the driveway. You have an ID on you?
Way in the middle. Cops are useless. They don't do nobody no motherfucker good.
I'm gonna go check on him real quick. Is he friendly? You need medical attention? I see the back of it.
I look out the window. Here she comes storming up the driveway, all red in the face. She got pissed off at me and kicked.
Try to stay away from her.
Okay. Well, I'm going to have to arrest her just because she did assault you. I'm going to be right back, okay?
You can take her straight to jail. They got a secondary unit.
No, I'm going to go try to talk to her. She wasn't super cooperative, though. All right. Bye. Fortunately, you're going to be under arrest for assaulting him.
It don't matter because he can do whatever he wants.
Okay.
To me. But once I start getting a little irritated back, ooh.
Okay, you just can't touch him, though. I need you to stand up, put your hands behind your back. Courtney, you just stand up, put your hands behind your back.
You can't definitely.
Okay.
So,
well, if you can behave and put your hands in the front for me,
whatever.
I'll be cooperative with you, okay?
Okay, he gets away with what he did, okay?
Do you have anything in your purse? They're going to toss it at the jail, so.
What am I supposed to do? Shove it on my ass sideways? Oh, whatever. Yes. Okay, all my gets thrown away and I get together. What am I supposed to do?
Toss it in here. Unfortunately. Unless you want to, if you can leave it with them.
No! They me!
All right, put your hands behind your back.
Now you're going to force me.
Yep. Put your hands behind your back.
I will get in the car.
Put the bag down.
I'm not leaving my stuff. Not leaving my stuff.
Put the bag on the ground.
Not leaving my stuff.
I didn't say
make me leave my stuff.
I'm not going to make you leave it.
Yeah, you better make you.
Don't.
Get away
Put
from
it down.
me. Get somebody here.
Put your bag on the ground.
You ain't making me leave my stuff.
Put your bag on the ground.
Why? So I can leave it. You're gonna make me lose my. Make me lose more of my stuff.
Put your bag on the ground.
You're gonna make me lose more of my.
6-4-11.
You're gonna f me too, huh, Popo? Hi. Popo, f me too.
Put it on the ground.
Me.
Put it on the ground.
So I can leave it.
Can you repeat your traffic?
You're gonna break my. Break my. For what? You or me?
Put it.
You're gonna make me lose more of my. This is my.
Put it on the ground.
My.
Hey, here.
Are you clear now?
En route. I'd probably go back down to Apple.
This section. 2018.
All right. I think you're right.
Put your bag on the ground.
You too, huh? You f me too? You gonna f me too? You gonna f me too? Let's do the pants.
Give me your other arm.
Let's do the pants off you. What's your name? I'm gonna do the pants off you.
Oh my God.
No, wait.
That's her truck right there.
Hey, watch me. I'm seeing you. Yes. You. You me. Whatever. Guys, I'm doing the pants off.
Shut up.
Hey, Chris. I'm doing the pants off you.
Does have like hands in?
Yeah, I do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna need
I got
it.
it. I got it.
Yay. I can't see that.
Stand up.
Can't.
Yes, you can.
I'm doing the pants off you. Assholes.
Yeah, I heard you the first time.
Ooh. I know you little.
What's your name? Courtney Maury. I do know you.
Huh? You tough?
What? They put her in the car like that? Well, then they deserve that car. Her to take that car. They deserve it then.
Huh?
Came back for me.
You said do that to me.
Look at that. Fiery pipe top.
Good?
Yep.
Yeah. Put some hand sanitizer on there.
Yeah, f me over! Me over! Me over! Mario, my buckle!
Whoops. Sorry. You think she's gonna spit on you and kick your things? And
I think she might. I'm gonna take this back with them real quick.
I wouldn't mind continuing. We might need a cage for transport.
Wow.
I'll be going through it.
on the ground. Don't they have like regular cop cars? What is going on here?
Hey, it's Hilgeman.
Oh my god.
I'll get a better look at it when she comes back out here, but Robert's got a pretty good bite.
If you know of family or anybody, hold on to that.
415. We're in pursuit of a patrol car.
Why all the excitement? You okay?
Yeah, she just didn't want to go.
6415 pursuing a patrol car. Aggressive travel.
Yeah.
Come up to Moreland. Watching Moreland.
Going north on Moreland.
North on Moreland.
Get after it. Stay calm, you're good.
6409 and 608. 6415 is pursuing a patrol unit.
She can hear that.
Watching light.
Oh my god.
Clear right, go through it. So we might have a T coming up, so get close. You're not pit trained, are you?
No.
Okay. Keep going.
415 update.
Still northbound, coming up to Bailey. Speeds are 100.
100 miles an hour.
Right, scrub. A firm.
East on Bailey. Turning north on Mason. Northbound on Mason. From Bailey.
Continuing northbound, coming up to power line.
North on Mason from Bailey, approaching the power line. That ends up here. The road should dead end. Going back east on Power Line Road. We're eastbound on Power Line Road from Mason.
Check, westbound. Doing good. Just keep your bearings. We're on dirt.
North shot on Swanson. Northbound on Swanson from Power Line.
Coming up to 140, it's still northbound. Alright, hold up. Slow up. Just in case. Alright. She's still up there. Make it up. Coming up to a River Drive.
River Drive. We're on 60 Avenue now, northbound. We're northbound on 60.
Scrub.
Eastbound on South River Drive from 60.
Alright, get after it. Go. Close to the curves, coming up to 128th Street.
In the curves, approaching 128th on South River Drive.
Yes. Alright, slow up, just in case she turned left here. Still on South River Drive, heading north.
Coming up to running gear lane. Approaching running gear lane.
Nice scrub. Yes. Alright, scrub. Looks like a pretty sharp turn. Scrub. Pass it. Coming up to Warner Avenue.
Approaching Warner Avenue, we have an Iowa unit in the area advising the neighborhood. They're all clear.
Sorry, get up there. We should be able to see her. I'd go So we're going to be northbound on Warner Avenue, right by the river. Get up, it's all the way up there. To Tahoe. Continuing northbound through 112th. Careful.
Number 6415 taking second, Nuevo taking primary.
Go around and get after it. As soon as you're able, get back into the gas. Taking westbound shot on 100th Street.
Westbound on 100.
Disregard, it's going to be a DNR unit.
DNR pit?
I don't know. Still westbound, speeds are 96, no traffic. We're coming up to Green Avenue.
Oh, she's screwed.
Looks like she is continuing west.
Dead end.
Yeah, it says it's a dead end. So we're crossing Green on 100th Road. Brakes.
Oh my God. Ooh.
Continuing into the woods. Keep going. We're gonna be down by the creek. Vehicle stopped.
Vehicle down near the creek.
Deactivated.
Don't move. Put your arms behind your back. Put your arms behind your back right now.
Come on. A cop car gets stolen? That is funny. She had fun, okay? She is crazy, ain't she? Double D's back. Double D. Hello, Bardo. Oh, God, this is too much. She did. She is. I wonder if she's on something. We will find out. And they didn't even take me to jail. Really? Shit is funny. Why don't they have like real cop cars? Okay?
Stand up.
Chain up. Hey, enough. I'll make yourself worse.
Break my tongue out.
All right.
You guys got a cage?
You guy. Okay, you guys
go.
You guys carry me. I ain't walking.
Give me your legs.
Yep, you carry me, man. We're making heavy toes. Yeah, hold my arm like that. Yeah, hold my arm like that.
You what?
Let me go. You can't hold it.
You know what?
Yeah. Do your thing.
Let's go.
Yeah, hold my arm like that. My arm's like, you shut the fuck up.
Let's go.
You walk? I ain't walking if you hold me like that. I walk if you don't hold me like that.
Let's go. We're gonna walk. Let's go. Come on.
You don't stop pulling me like that? Should have thought about that before you got arrested. Cough tomorrow. Have my back, give him a
What happened?
We assisted another troop and put her in the front. Next thing we know, she's in the driver's seat fleeing.
All right. Is it one of your guys' car?
No.
Who's your sergeant on right now?
Vashaw.
Vashaw.
Thanks, Sarge. Do you feel comfortable in trying to get the car up there, or you want me to do it? Okay.
I was the bridge. Both lanes had vehicles.
Boom. I want to take a peek-see.
Yeah, it's got some metal stabbed up in there too.
The suspect, Courtney Morey, was taken into custody after traveling through
What state was this? Courtney. I bet you there's more on her.
private property for approximately a quarter mile. During the pursuit, Morey crashed into an old concrete bridge abutment, traveling about 21 miles per hour just before impact with the accelerator pressed and no braking applied. The vehicle sustained damage to the front driver's side fender, push bumper, and hood, and was subsequently towed from the scene. The officer who was bitten received treatment at Trinity Hospital. Morey was charged with assaulting a police officer, unlawful driving away, fleeing a police officer, and malicious destruction of police property. Morey was sentenced to 1 to 3 years of probation, with fees totaling approximately $1,234. Several times throughout the chase, the training officer instructs the driver to scrub. In emergency vehicle operations, drivers are trained to brake in a straight line before entering a curve. Tires achieve maximum traction when focused on a single task at a time. Therefore, troopers brake before the turn, navigate through the curve, and then accelerate hard after exiting.
Yeah, I mean, any smart person knows that you don't brake around a curve. So stupid. Okay, guys, there's that. That's crazy. That's all she got? So you could steal a police car and that's all you get? Probation? Are you kidding me? Wow. I got to find out what state this is. Hold on. Maybe they said it in the beginning. We'll find out. It's got to be Michigan, huh? You think? I'll figure it out. I bet she's been arrested many times. All right, people. I think that's all for now. He walked outside and Cyrus made my dog. Ain't that crazy? I'm going to look her up. Her name is Courtney Morey, but I got to find out what state. Thank you, Misty. Thank you very much. It would have been better if other people were up here with me, but, you know, Patty tried. Misty, you tried. See, that's one of the problems with my channel is I got nobody up here with me. If you notice, everybody else on their channels, they have like other people with them all the time, and that really makes a big difference within your channel. It does. It's proven. It's a proven fact. It's all proven. All right, everybody. I'm going to go for now. But I will talk to you guys later. Thank you for being here. Love you.